Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonderland. It's time to explore the world with us within few minutes. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table because it has the simplest atoms of all elements. Hydrogen contains just one proton and one electron. Pure hydrogen is a transparent gas. The biggest planets, such as Jupiter, are vast balls of hydrogen mixed with other gases, such as helium and methane. On Earth, hydrogen is commonly found in water. Each water molecule has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen. Although it is rare in Earth's atmosphere, hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Stars, such as the Sun, contain large amounts of hydrogen. At the center of a star, atoms of this element are fused together, releasing heat and light. The Sun is 4/5 hydrogen. 3/4 of this planet is made up of layers of gaseous and liquid hydrogen. New stars form inside nebulae, such as the Orion Nebula. They are clouds of hydrogen gas that slowly collapse in on themselves. Hydrogen gas is the lightest element of all, and much lighter than air. This is why hydrogen-filled balloons can fly higher than air-filled ones. Super cold liquid hydrogen is used as rocket fuel. Rocket uses 45,460 liters of liquid hydrogen as fuel. Atoms of hydrogen fuse together to produce a lot of energy in hydrogen bomb explosions. Pure hydrogen is also a clean energy source used to power some buses and cars. This energy-efficient vehicles runs on a fuel cell fed by hydrogen. Margarine is made of vegetable oils thickened by adding hydrogen. Hydrogen peroxide, this liquid, is used as a cleaner, so these are some important facts about hydrogen. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned with us for more and exciting facts in our universe. Like, share and subscribe.